Hey everybody, Varun here from 𝗪𝗵𝘁𝗀𝗵𝗵. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at 5 common mistakes a lot of students do make in their speaking module, and that is the reason why they miss out on their desired score. I'm going to tell you 5 key areas you need to take care of in order to boost your score. I'm going to go a bit quick so that I can give you as much as information in the least amount of time. Alright, very first thing is that confusing speed and fluency. Fluency is one of the biggest parameters when it comes to your PTE speaking, but fluency doesn't really mean speed. You don't have to go very fast. You don't have to, pace up. What you need to do is fluency means going in a smooth flow, going smoothly, taking natural pauses. I hear a lot of this thing that you cannot pause anywhere. You can pause as long as it is a natural pause. For example, I'll just give you an example of describe image. The image gives information about India. I can see map of India, Azerbaijan and Iran. I can see A, B and C. I can also see X, Y and Z. So what I've done is I have gone in a very calm and smooth manner, taken a slight pause after the sentence. I'll give you an example of read aloud. Once you have picked a general topic for your paper, you need to come up with a thesis. Your thesis is the main and focal point of your paper, and it is the position you will take on your particular topic. What I see students doing is that once you have picked a general topic for your paper, you need to come up with a thesis, your thesis. So what you're doing is you're going too fast. Probably you might get few points in your fluency, but you lose points in your content and in your pronunciation. If you go too fast, it will make it difficult for the computer to understand you, and as a result you're going to lose points in content and pronunciation. So remember, fluency is not going fast, it's going in a smooth manner and taking appropriate pauses. Next common mistake is worrying too much about your accent. Yes, pronunciation is one of the parameter, but pronunciation doesn't really mean that you have to speak like a native speaker. You have to sound clear. Let's say if I talk about myself, I don't have a native accent, I have an Indian accent, right? But that doesn't really mean that my pronunciation, or I won't really score high in my speaking module. I've got 90 multiple times. Why? I focus on speaking clearly. Don't ever try to focus on copying any kind of accent. I see a lot of students trying to imitate any kind of accent, and as a result they're not clear. So what your focus should be on? Speaking clearly. If you're not really sure about any word in describe, image and retail lecture, skip that. That won't really impact your pronunciation. Plus, make sure whatever you speak in a very clear manner. Third mistake is describe image, focusing too much on content. See, there is no parameter where they are actually checking or evaluating task achievement in describe image. They are not really focusing on your ideas. They're not focusing on your analytical skills. They are not checking how well you can analyze the image. They are checking that how well you can speak about a particular image. What you need to do is you need to focus on your flow. You need to speak a few keywords from the image, and whatever you speak should be clear. You speak around 20-25 seconds, more than enough. You can go up to 35 seconds as well, but I'll recommend around 25-30 seconds, more than enough, because if you'll go too much, the chances you'll make a lot of mistakes, right? So that is what you need to do is don't go too much, speak clearly, calmly, and make sure you don't focus on content. Your accuracy of the content is not important, because if you'll try to speak accurately, what you will do is you will think too much about the image, and as a result you won't be able to speak clearly, or there will be a few pauses, hesitations in your speech, which will negatively impact your score. So you need to be very careful about this. Fourth parameter is your grammar. Remember these things in speaking. In IELTS, yes, we look at your grammar when it comes to your speaking, but in PT, your grammar is not evaluated at all when it comes to your speaking. We are not going to see if there are any grammatical errors in your speech if you're taking PT speaking test. So you don't really need to worry about grammar at all in retail lecture, in your describe image, in read aloud and repeat sentence. Obviously you don't really need to focus on sentence formation. You don't really need to focus on tense. What you need to focus on, speaking clearly in a flow and making sure you have few keywords from the given image or keywords from the lecture. That's what you need to do. Don't focus on grammar. If you do, you are going to mess up your fluency and there will be few hesitations as well. Last but not the least, answer short questions. I see students spending 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours on answer short question a day or 2 days before the exam. Answer short questions are important, but they are not that important. Even if you answer half of them correctly, you can get a perfect score. Please do not spend too much time on answer short questions. If you know the answer, say the answer. If you don't know the answer, repeat a few keywords from the question. That is one trick which works and which will 100% work for you as well. So these were 5 things. I'll quickly recap each and everything. Fluency is not about going fast, it's more about going in a flow. Pronunciation is not your accent, it's your clarity. Third, with describe image, you don't really need to focus on the content or on the accuracy of content. Read a lecture, describe image, and any other module of your speaking, you don't really need to focus on grammar. And last, answer short questions, not that important. Don't waste too much time. A week before your exam, you can cover the predictions we post on the on our channel, on our website as well. So that's pretty much it. If you follow these, you're going to get your desired score in the very first go. If you think the video was helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and do share this video with your friends as well, so that along with you, they can get their desired score. If you have got any of your friends preparing for IELTS, we have launched a new channel, Language Academy IELTS. Consider subscribing that as well or sharing with your friends so that they can get their desired score in IELTS as well. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon. Do let me know in the comment section if the video was helpful, and if it was, please let me know what next topic you want me to cover in the coming videos. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you register on languageacademy.com.au and start practicing. Thank you.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.